G'day everyone, it's Jacob McCrae here, or you might know me as the Last Dart Bender. I'm Australia's Rope Dart Academy instructor. The move we're going to be doing today is called a knee shot, and it looks like this. To do this move, we're going to put the dart down for a second, just so we can get the body stuff right. So, what I want you to do is lift your lead leg up, that's the one it's not tied to. We're going to put that foot under your butt. We don't want it out here or out here. We want it nice and comfortably hidden. You can make like a 4 shape with your legs, hide it behind your thigh. And what we're going to do is spin wheels going forwards, so that's the darts coming downward. You're going to lift that foot up and put it under your butt with the knee pointing out. And we're going to bring that lead hand onto your thigh. And what you'll find is it wraps around and then falls off. It's almost trying to like lasso an onion. If you imagine how that would work, it'd just slip right off. So we're going to go spin, 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 foot up, hand on thigh, and let it go. To make it go more forwards, we're going to imagine that lead hand is instead a tube. So even though it's gripping, we can pull the rope through, and you can choose when it goes through. When we first start, we're holding on tight, and as soon as you feel it going forwards, we're going to make it a tube. So it's going to tube out. We're going to go spin, 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 leg up, hand on thigh, tube. You can drop your anchor hand if you need. If you have any slack in there, it'll go even more forwards. If we want to make it real powerful, we can step into it. So we're going to go spin, 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 foot up. As we take a step, we're going to bring that hand onto the thigh and go forwards. So if we do it in one nice clean motion, you might also want to recover it so you don't drop your dart on the ground. And the way we can do that is do what we're doing. Because we've got that tube there, all we need to do is extend the distance between our hands. So as the rope comes more and more between our hands, it'll lift the dart off the ground. Recovered. If we want to do that on the outside of the knee, all we got to do is cross that thigh across your body, making a nice little flamingo pose. And we're just going to do the same thing, but putting the hand on the thigh so that it crosses the outside of the thigh. Again, we can take a nice big step into it. Now, you might be thinking, can we do that on the other leg? Yes, very easily. In fact, so easily that it's the exact same thing. Hand on the thigh, over. Same for the outside. Hand on the thigh, over. If we want to chain all these together into a really awkward, silly looking walk, we can do that. Inside, inside, outside. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've had a great time and learned something from this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.